This is Sam from Colasoft. Welcome to this video. Today I will introduce you to the alarms, and demonstrate how to create an alarm. The alarm is one of the most important new features in Capsa-How. You can create alarms to notify you with anomalies of the network, so that you can solve the problem at its beginning. First, let's see where we can find the alarms. Click the Alarm Explorer icon. The Alarm Explorer window shows on the right side of the program. Or, we can display it through checking the Alarm Explorer box in the ribbon. There is no item in the Alarm Explorer window by default. Let me show you how to create an alarm to notify heavy network utilization. Click the Add Alarm icon. We see the Make Alarm dialog. First we need to give the alarm a name. We can leave it alone, because the program will generate a name for it, according to the settings. Then we choose a type for the alarm from Security, Performance and Fault. The alarms will be grouped by their type in the Alarm Explorer window. We will choose Performance. Object. It's unchangeable. Here we see Global. It means the calculation of the conditions value is based on all the objects of the network. The next is Value Type. It's used to set the severity level of the alarm. We set it Notification. Then to set counters. The group gives us a wide variety of statistics items to choose. We will choose Traffic this time. And then, it's the statistics. I'll choose Utilization. The measure is %. As the conditions, we will choose Larger Than, and input 40 in the text box, because 40% of throughput is a heavy network utilization. To test the alarm, I will keep it default, the 1 second in this text box. The total sentence we can read, when the total traffic utilization is over 40, and lasts for 1 second, trigger the alarm. Still we can set the dismiss condition in the last group. We'll leave it alone. If we need statistics on top talkers the time when the alarm triggered, we can set the last group top 10 traffic statistics. In this alarm, we can check top 10 IP address by bytes. We will get the top 10 IP addresses that consuming the bandwidth. They can help us locate the source of the anomalies. Settings finished, click OK to close the dialog. Now we can see the alarm item shows in the Alarm Explorer window. The status information shows the detailed settings of the highlighted alarm. When the alarm triggered, a notification pops up to inform us that an alarm has been triggered, and its corresponding type of bulb flashes and the number has changed to 1. When we see this, we know that something's going wrong in the network. We can get the top 10 talkers from top 10 IP address by bytes. These statistics make it easy to find out the targets. When problem solved, we can click this icon to dismiss the alarm. There is still a question: what if we are not around when an alarm triggered? How we can know what happened? Don't worry, we can click here to read the alarm log, which records all the alarm activities, including their trigger time, and top 10s lists, if enabled. Another important feature is that we can create alarms on any object to monitor its activity. For example, we can create an alarm on this IP address to monitor its TCP send packets. Next, let's see how to manage alarms. We can double-click an alarm item or click this icon, and Network Profile Management dialog appears. Alarms are one part of the network profile. Once you save the network profile, the alarms are saved as well. We can use these buttons to manage alarms. We can uncheck the checkbox to disable an alarm. To edit an alarm, just double-click it or click Properties button. Below the list, we can configure the log settings. Click this button to choose a folder to save logs, and enter a name for the log in this text box. As we can see, the alarms give us timely notification of network anomalies under certain conditions. With alarms, we can be in control at the first place, to prevent greater damages. This is the end of the demonstration. Thanks for watching.